In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add custom code to your Squarespace site in just 5 minutes. Let's get started by diving right into the process. First, head over to the Squarespace website and look for the login option. It's usually at the top right corner of the page. Click on it and you'll be taken to the login screen. Now you'll see several options for logging in, but for a seamless experience, I recommend clicking on Continue with Google. This method is not only quick but secure, saving you the hassle of remembering yet another password. Go ahead and click on Continue with Google, and from there choose the relevant Google account that's connected to your Squarespace website. Once you're logged in, you'll land on the dashboard, which displays all your websites linked to this account. Click on the website you want to customize. This will take you straight into the website's specific backend interface, and that's where the real fun begins. From this interface, you'll want to go to the Pages section. It's likely on the left-hand side panel, and clicking here will give you access to all the pages within your website. After you're in the Pages section, the next step is to click on an option called Website Tools. This might appear as part of a drop-down menu, so don't worry if you don't see it immediately. Once you find and click on it, it will direct you to a whole suite of options to further customize your website. Now look for the Custom CSS option and click on that. This is where you're able to input the specific code that will personalize the appearance and functionality of your site. When you're in the Custom CSS section, you'll see an editor window where you can type your CSS code. Here is where you can unleash your creativity. Whether you are adjusting the fonts, changing colors, or modifying the layout, the code you type here will alter your site's design. After you've carefully typed in your CSS code and double checked everything, the last thing you need to do is save your changes. Look for the Save button, usually located at the top or bottom of the editor. Clicking on this ensures that all your hard work and customizations are not lost and are reflected on your live site. And there you have it. You've just learned how to add custom code to your Squarespace site. Always remember, with coding, patience and precision are key. Don't hesitate to experiment and test different styles until you achieve your desired look. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide makes your web designing endeavor a little bit easier. Stay creative and see you in the next video.